So are there choices? So as far as it seems, there's just simply a body-mind combination, making choices, going to work, not going to work, buying food, not buying food, ice cream or vanilla cake. So as far as it seems, there just seems to be whatever is happening. That's the body, so to say, a so-called body, making choices. But there's no one separated from this so-called body doing the choice making. So there's no choice maker, no separated choice maker. And even the suggestion that there is or there isn't is just simply equally this, a body throwing out the suggestion. And there's no one separated doing the suggesting. There's just a body giving a suggesting or suggestion. There's no one separated in this body doing it. There's just what seems to be happening, suggestions given by a body. And that by itself, that so-called assumption or conclusion, or the so-called seeing, is already not done by something separated than this already. There's just this seeing, thinking, making assumptions, claiming, talking, making choices, but there's no one separated from this physical system doing the choice making, doing the assumptions. There's nothing in the body making it do anything, making it make a choice, making it make a suggestion. No, there's just a suggestion. There's just this talk about choices or not. There's no one separated from this body, controlling it, owning it, or making it function. There's just the body functioning in a certain way. And the liking of the functioning or the claiming for this to be a separate functioning is already just simply this, which is already not done by something outside or inside or besides or underneath the body. And even this whole idea or conception or words or belief or whatever you want to call it, seeing, is already not done by something outside of this physical structure. There's just a body functioning innocently and effortlessly, making claims, seeing things, hearing things, making suggestions, calling it suggestions, calling it the body, calling it claiming. There's no one separated from whatever is happening, doing anything or doing nothing. And even that assumption, that conclusion, that seeing is already not done by something outside, inside, beneath, underneath, away, separated from this. There's just this. There's just whatever is, ising, or claiming, or dissing. There's just this, dissing, or ising. Just simply whatever is happening. And there may be a need to understand this. Well, that need to understand this or to see it in a similar way or to find out is already not done by something either, which is separated from just certain needs tumbling down. Certain wants, there's no one owning the wants, there's no one doing the wants, there's no one doing the wanting, there's no one owning the wanting, there's just simply wants and needs arising. At the same time, the claim it is arising, And this arising of assumptions, conclusions, choices, beliefs is not happening for something outside, inside, underneath, or separated from this. There's nothing which is separated from the functioning of the totality. And there's not even the totality, but for the sake of words, there's just the functioning of the totality. There's nothing separated from the totality making everything function or not. There's just simply no separation. Nothing outside this so-called moment of hearing these words, liking them or not liking them, or finding them interesting or not. It's just already just simply directly what is. And what is not done or not owned by anyone or anything separated from itself. There's just simply this itself functioning in a certain way. And not even, there's not a thing which is itself either. There's just simply this already. The totality of whatever is happening, or which seems to be happening, or which is believed to be happening.